Hi there. So in this video, we are going to use Freepik to make a short video. Here it is.
Hello, I'm just a test voice, running through Freepik to check how well the lip sync feature reacts to simple, clear speech.
Okay, so what not a lot of people know is that Freepik actually has quite cool set of AI tools that you can use. By the way, it's not sponsored. I've been using Freepik for years now, and I just figured that a lot of people actually talk about it. So in addition to everything that you have as Freepik by itself, like you have all the assets, you have a lot of videos and everything, you also have a quite interesting and constantly developing AI set of tools. So now I'm just going to show you what we did here. Go here in all tools, you have this pop-up showing, and in video you have this lip sync. And it has three models. One is this OmniHuman that I'm going to use to create a video lip sync out of an image. But we also have two models that allows you to actually use a video and apply a lip sync over it. So if I'm going to use an image, I already have a few of the images. So let's take, I don't know, this one. For audio, you can either drop in your audio or you can select a voice. So in this case, I'm going to select this one's voice, for example. And then we have a description of the video. So like I have a prompt here that I've used. Here it is. And here literally we can write whatever we want. I will just use this custom script, really short one. And also what is nice is you can have a control, like you can add pauses, you can add emotions, like for example here I can add it like being excited and so on. Then I can pick a preview. This is consume some of the credits to generate the audio, because like first you need to generate an audio in order for you to generate the video. And then I'm going to click apply lip sync, and I'm getting an output that I've showed you. It's not ideal, and it works much better when you have a background, for example, than without a background. But it is an interesting add-on to already existing Freepik subscription that you might have. And from my perspective, it has been quite useful. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something, and see you in another video.